Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's training, I will be teaching you guys in today's training is how to design a courier and logistics website. Okay, within 30 minutes. Yes, within 30 minutes you are done. You don't need to have any experience of coding to get this task done. Okay, so make sure you watch to the end of this video and you see exactly how to do that. Okay, so we've in our last video we talked about how to design a Bitcoin and investment exchange website, right? We also have a video where we teach you guys how to design a banking investment website, right? So if you've not watched these two videos that I mentioned right now, make sure you check it out and watch it, okay? Because it will really help you understand what you're about to do now. So if you are joining us for the first time, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bar, okay? So that you get notified whenever we drop massive updates like this one, okay? So if you really want to know how you can design or set up a courier logistics website within 30 minutes, watch to the end of this video and I'll show you how. Let me not waste much of your time. I will share my screen with you. Let's get started immediately, okay? Okay, guys, remember if you want to start designing a website, all you need is a what? I need to buy a domain and a hosting, right? So after you got your hosting details, you have to log into your cPanel, okay? So here is my cPanel. I'll quickly go on to File Manager here. I'll click on the File Manager, okay? Then when I click on the File Manager, I'll come to this public underscore HTML. Can you see that? As you can see, it is empty. It is empty because I've not yet uploaded our files, okay? So sorry. So for us to upload our file, we'll click on upload, okay? Select file. So once you click on select file, I'm going to look for the file that I want to upload. Don't worry, at the end of this video I'll tell you how you can get access to this file, okay? So for now, follow along and do exactly what I'm doing and you get it done. So here is the zip. So I'll click on it and click on open, right? Awesome. So wait for this blue bar here to turn green. Okay. Do not close this tab or leave this page until this tab turns green. So we're going to wait right now. Okay. One of the characteristics of a web developer is patience. Okay. You really need patience because most of these things take time. Okay, so just follow exactly what I'm doing and you get it done. You can charge your client between 200k to 500k just to do this thing without having any knowledge of coding. Okay, so if you I will like I said, if you need access to this file, I'll give you access to this file at the end of this video. Okay, so wait for this blue bar to turn green. One thing with a think technology is that we'll make everything simple for you, okay? Because this kind of website, if you want to code it from fresh, it might take you 2 years, 3 years to design a full website using coding, okay? But with this my strategy, I'm going to show you how you can do it within what? 30 minutes. All right, guys. So wait for here to turn green so that we can proceed. Normally when I do this kind of work, I used to buy Pepsi or all this soft drink, okay, just to wait for it because most of these things, like I said, they used to take time, but you need to have patience. This is what I keep telling my students. Patience is very, very necessary if you are want to go into line of web development, okay? No, some of you are impatient. So, but if you don't follow exactly what I'm doing right now, you will not get the same result with me. Okay, so make sure you follow exactly the steps that I'm following, and you get it done. It's just very simple to do that. Very soft life. Okay, awesome. Can you see that? So we can now leave this tab. Okay, so go back to our file manager under inside the public underscore html. That's where we uploaded our file, right? So let me click on reload. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that the file we uploaded is already showing here, right? So right click on it, click on extract. Yes, we want to extract it into public underscore html. Then click on extract, close. Can you see that? Awesome. So we can now go ahead and do what? Delete this one, the file, right? Beautiful. Okay. So the next thing that we have to do right now is we need to create a database. Okay, we need a database. So we're going to do that right away. So guys, can you see that database connection failed, right? That's because we've not connected our website with the database, right? We're going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm looking for the SQL file because we'll be needing it. Okay, so to create a database, come back to your cpanel, um, look for MySQL database wizard, right? Right click on it. Okay, so we're going to create a database, right? We're going to name it um, um let's say logi or transportation, right? Just use trans. So next step, click on next step. So which username can we use now? Let's use a fast dance, right? Awesome. So we're going to choose a password. Just right click on this password generator. So you can generate any password of your choice. You can use anyone, okay? So let me make use of this one. Then I'll copy it and do what? Keep it somewhere safe because I'm going to be needing it, right? Yes. Okay. So click on paste. I've copied this password. Right click on I've copied this password in a safe place. Make sure you save it somewhere safe, okay? Then go ahead and click on use password, right? Then after that, click on create user. Awesome. Can you see that user and database already created? So I'm going to copy that as well and keep it somewhere what? Somewhere safe. Awesome. Awesome. So after that, right click on all privileges, okay? Then come back and click on next step. Beautiful. Now we've successfully created our what our database. So let's now go back to our PHP admin. Okay, Okay, look at it here. You can look for it in this search tools here, or you can find it here. Can you see that? Right click on PHP my admin. So this is our website. As you can see, I have a lot of database here that I've created. But if you are just doing this for the first time, you are only going to see the database that you created here. Okay. So this is the one that we created, right? Remember trans, right? Awesome. So I will right click on it, then click on import. So for me to import, I'm going to import the SQL file. Don't worry, I'll tell you how you can get access to both files at the end of this video, okay? So don't worry at all. Let me search for it. Sure. Awesome. Can you see that? Look at it here, right? Awesome. So I'll click on it and click on what? Open to import. Then I'll come down here and click on import, right? Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that? Awesome. So after creating our database and importing our SQL file, then we now come back to our file manager. This config.php. Okay, right click on it, click on edit. So not here. Let's go back. Okay. Awesome. So we are going to change this user here to our own user, change this password to our own password, and change this database to our own database. Okay. Make sure that you copy and paste it, okay, so that you don't make any mistake, right? So let's do it together. So this is the password, right? I'll start with the password. I'll copy the password, right? So look at the password here. I'm going to replace it with the password that I copied now. Please make sure you don't make any mistake here. This side is very sensitive. Any error that you make here, you will not get the same result with me, okay? So you have to be really, really careful, okay? So this is the password, right? So let's copy the user, right? User copied, so we now copy the final one, which is the database, right? Awesome. Awesome. Right? So we do the same here. Look at the DB. Then copy the password. then and the last one, which is the user rights. Beautiful. Okay, so click on save changes. Awesome. So when we come back to our website and refresh, so awesome, awesome. Can you see that? Beautiful. Can you see that in a space of 30 minutes, we are able to import this beautiful courier and logistics website? And as you can see, everything is working perfectly well, right? Can you see that? This is beautiful. Awesome. Can you see? So, and everything you are seeing here can be changed. You can change these pictures, you can change this logo, you can change all the text here. Okay, okay, like this optimist, let's write we are optimists. Okay, or we love to work together, right? So to do that, you have to go back to your file manager, click on file manager, right? So let's come to index.php, right? That's where we find all the content that is here, right? Okay, so let's search for it. So what I normally use is Control H, right? We are optimists, right? Sorry, let's check. Okay, we are optimists. Okay, let's look for it. Since we cannot search it here. Okay, look at it here, right? So we can change the text, or we let's change it to we love to work together, right? So when we do that, just after editing, click on save changes, right? So when we go back to our website and refresh, awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that we have changed the text and everything that you are seeing here, both the images, the videos, the graphics can be what we can change all of that. For example, if you want to change this logo, right click on it, then copy image link, right? Then come to open a new tab and paste it here. So for us to change this logo, we will find this logo in our website inside public_html in a folder called assets. Inside that folder, there is an img folder. Then inside that img folder, you are going to find a logo folder. And inside that logo folder, this is where you find our what? Our logo. So to change that, simply download the logo from the folder and change it with your own logo, and make sure that the name you are uploading is the same with this name here, right? Awesome, and you get that done. So guys, that's the end of this training. If you need access to this beautiful logistics and courier website, I will give you access to it. Chat me on WhatsApp and I will give you access to it. If you are in Nigeria, you are going to pay 50K to get this file. If you are outside the country, anywhere you are around the world, we're going to charge you $100. Okay, So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.